Now we can solve yung property sa point 4. Simulan natin sa T4. Now, ang meron tayo is point 3 going to point 4. Titingnan natin yung proseso, that is isentropic process. So you have process 3 papuntang 4. Okay, so this is 3 going to 4 is isentropic process. Eh, kung isentropic process yan, pwede tayong mag-relate ng temperature tsaka volume. So that is TVic. So T, V, ic. Okay, TVic. Pwedeng 3-4-3-4, pwedeng 4-3-4-3. Depende sa atin. So, for example, ang gusto ko is 3-4-3-4. Analyze. Okay, we already have temperature 3. Okay, meron din tayong V3, sinolve natin kanina yon. And then yung B4, by inspection, kung titingnan mo yung proseso na to, this is isometric process. So, ibig sabihin yung B4 equals sa V1. So, meron tayong lahat na given. So, makuha natin yung temperature 4. So, direct sub, kunin natin yung temperature 4. So, this is T3 na 3047. Temperature 4 is equivalent sa V3 is 1.697 all over B4 na equivalent sa V1 na 13.2 raised to 1 minus 1.4. Shift solve, makuha na natin yung temperature 4. So, calculator, 3047 over the unknown equivalent sa equals sa 1.697 over 13.2 raised to 1 minus 1.4. Shift solve, then kunin natin yung temperature 4. Okay, that is approximately 1341. So 1341 Rankine. Okay. Now, para naman makuha natin si P4, okay, pwede na tayo mag-PBRT na lang kasi meron tayong temperature 4 tsaka B4. So, pinakasimpleng gawin, PBRT. So, this is P. Okay, so P, V, R, T. So, 4, 4, and then 4. So, again, meron tayong T4. Ang B4 natin equals sa V1. R is constant. So, makakuha natin yung pressure 4. So, same analysis. If you will assume na yung pressure 4 is PSI, okay, magkaroon dapat tayo dito ng multiplier na 144. So, default naman yun. Basta ang gusto mong sagot PSI. Okay. Then, specific volume 4 is 13.2. Okay, this is 13.2. Okay. Equivalent sa R ng air sa English, that is 53.34. Okay, yung units, pinaliwanag na sa thermodynamics kung ano yung mga units niyan. And then, temperature 4 is 1341. So, one unknown, one equation na ito. Shift solve tayo. Makuha na natin yung pressure 4. So, alpha x, 144, 13.2 is equivalent sa 53.34 multiply sa 1341. Okay, shift solve. This is pressure 4. So, ang pressure 4 natin is 37.6 PSI absolute. Okay, we already solved lahat ng state properties ng diesel cycle na to. Now, we can proceed regarding sa heat rejected tsaka work net. Okay, sagutan naman natin yung heat rejected tsaka work net. Now, ang heat rejected nangyari sa constant volume process. Meaning, ang QR natin, formula niya, is M CV delta T. So this is T4 minus T1. Isin lang natin. Okay, T4 minus T1. Okay, since ang hinahanap natin is specific, ulit-ulit lang yon na yung mass, assume natin na 1 para specific yung sagot. So we have QR. Okay, assume na yung mass to be 1. Ang CV ng air is constant, that is 0.171 pag English. 84 na solve natin kanina, 1341. While yung T1, original given yan, 535. Hence, makuha natin yung heat rejected. Okay, so this is 0.171, 1341 less 535. So, ang heat rejected natin is 137.8. So, 137.8. Ang unit, BTU, since nag-assume tayo ng 1, okay, per pound. So, that is our final answer. Now, for work net, that's very simple. Difference ng init. So, work net is difference ng heat, QA minus QR. So, QA is given to be 352, while ang heat rejected is 137.8. Therefore, makuha na natin yung specific work net. So, 352 less 137.8. So, ang ating work net should be 214.2. So, 214.2 BTU per pound. Okay, kunin na natin yung efficiency ng power. So, efficiency, basic formula na lang. Okay, ang formula natin is work net over QA. So, since nasolve na natin yung work net and QA is given, so easily makuha na natin yung efficiency ng cycle. So, this is 214.2. I-divide natin ng 352. So, ang efficiency ng cycle should be 214.2 over 352. 8 times 100%, that is 60.9%. 60.85, approximately 60.9%. So, madali na yung efficiency kasi nakuha na natin yung work net. Now, regarding sa power, same formula tayo, tulad kanina sa auto. Okay, to get power, that is mass flow rate multiply sa specific work net. Okay, given naman yung specific work net, tapos meron din tayong mass, makuha natin yung power. Unit analysis. So, power is equivalent sa mass flow rate na 0.5 pound per second. Ang work net natin is 214.2 BTU per pound. Okay, so mag-cancelled out na yung ating pound. Now, bukod sa 1 HP is 2545 BTU per hour, meron din tayong 1 HP 42.42 BTU per minute. So this time, gamitin natin yung per minute para karoon tayo ng variation. So 1 minute is 60 seconds, cancelled out. And then, ang gagamitin ko naman is BTU per minute. 1 HP equivalent sa 42.42 BTU per minute. So, cancelled out BTU, cancelled out per minute. So, final answer in terms of HP. So, 0.5 to 14.2. And then, conversion factor lang to 60 i-divide ng 42.42. Okay, so in terms of horsepower, that is equivalent sa 151.48. So 151.48, approximately 151.5 HP. Okay, so sagutan natin yung last item. Yung last item natin, yung QA, pinalitan natin, naging 500 BTU per pound. So galing siya sa 352, tapos naging 500 ngayon. So ibig sabihin, mag-a-adjust yung ating PV diagram. So yung initial conditions, the same, sabi sa original problem yun. So since tumaas yung init, so magkakaroon tayo ng bagong 0.3. So tawagin natin yung bagong 0.3 na 3', and then magkakaroon tayo adjustment dito, so magkakaroon tayo ng 4'. And then ang main question dito is efficiency. Now, instead ulitin natin lahat ng solution, which is sobrang tagal, gamitin na lang natin yung shortcut. Okay, since naituro na naman yung shortcut regarding sa diesel cycle. Ang shortcut sa diesel is 1 minus B over A. Again, sana kinabisado natin yung A and B. So, yung A is RK raised to K minus 1, which is solvable kasi may RK tayo. And yung B is RC raised to K minus 1 all over K RC minus 1. Now, paano makuha yung RC? Ang RC natin is ratio ng volume. That is V3' over V2. And then, pinaliwanag natin sa discussion kanina na yung ratio ng volume pwede rin makuha using ratio ng temperatures. So, pwede rin yung T3' over T2. So, kailangan mong makuha yung T3. Okay, so paano makuha yung T3'? Okay, so para makuha yung T3', kunin natin yung QA', gamitin natin. So, pwede nating sabihin na yung QA', okay, is equivalent sa M, okay, constant pressure yan, CP, T3' minus T2. Okay, constant pressure yan, tapos per pound tayo, so assume natin yung must be 1, so makuha natin yung T3'. Okay, so this is 500. Okay, ang mass is 1, CP ng air pag English, 0.24. Okay, multiply natin sa T3' minus T2, 1580. Hence, masasolve natin yung T3'. So, okay, so 500, okay, 0.24, okay, yung T3' yung nawawala, minus 1580, tapos shift solve tayo, makuha natin yung T3' to be equivalent sa 3663. So this is 3663.33 Rankine. Now, since meron na tayong T3', makuha na rin natin yung RC. RC' is equivalent sa ratio ng dalawang temperature, 3663.33 all over T2 na 1580. Hence, yung RC natin, RC' is equivalent sa, so divide ko na lang yan ng 1580. This is 2.31857. So, 2.31857. Now, ang gagawin na lang natin is mag-store ng data. Okay, so sana marunong tayo mag-store ng data para makuha yung final answer. So, efficiency actual is 1 minus B over A. So, tingnan mabuti paano ko siya i-input. So, magsimula ako sa A. RK is 15 raised to K. So, raised to 1.4. A minus 1. So, this is A. Store ko sa A. So, equal sign. Shift store A. So, meron na akong data for A. Now, para naman sa B, ito yung B natin. So, input lang natin ng tama. RC is 2.31857. So, 2.31857 raised to K. So, raised to K, 1.4. Okay, nasa baba yung minus 1. So, pindutin yung cursor dito. Minus 1. All over K na 1.4. Parenthesis, RC, 2.31857 minus 1. So, this is our B. So, we need to press this correctly. So, equal sign. I-store natin sa B. So, shift, store, B. Now, since meron na tayong A and B, finally, makuha na natin yung efficiency ng cycle. So, 1 minus, record natin yung B, alpha B, over alpha A. Okay, press equal sign, ito yung efficiency ng cycle. That is 58.8%. So, 58.8%. Best answer lang yung 58.9. Depende lang yan sa rounding off natin. Okay, that's it. Practicein natin yung mga formula. Tandaan yung process. Okay, dapat kabisado natin bawat formula. Depende sa given. Okay, yung shortcut na yan is very important. So, practicing isulat ng paulit-ulit para makabisado. This is again, diesel cycle. Okay, do your part. Practice mamaya. Okay, have a good day. God bless.